Hey there, beautiful babes. Have you ever wondered how you can make your home smell amazing, naturally clean, and feel oh so cozy without any harsh chemicals? Well, let me introduce you to Simply Earth Essential Oils. These little bottles of joy have completely transformed the way I freshen up my home and add a touch of calm to my day. I have been a Simply Earth affiliate for several years. What's so great about these oils, you ask? First, they're 100% pure and come directly from farms that take pride in their ingredients. That means no hidden stuff, just simple, clean goodness. Why choose Simply Earth? Because they make it super easy to get started with essential oils, whether you're diffusing them, using them in DIY projects, or even adding a few drops to your cleaning routine. Let's talk about how I use them. My personal favorite is adding a few drops of lavender oil to my diffuser before bedtime. It's like a cozy hug in the air. For cleaning, their lemon essential oil makes my counter sparkle and leaves a fresh, zesty scent that just says, hey, your home is fabulous. And don't get me started on their blends like Happy Joy. It's a burst of sunshine in a bottle. But what truly sets Simply Earth apart is their recipe box. It's packed with everything you need to make amazing DIY products like candles, sprays, and even natural cleaners. No guessing, no stressing. They give you step-by-step instructions that anyone can follow. And if you're new to essential oils, don't worry. They've got educational materials and customer support to help you every step of the way. Plus, for every purchase, they donate 13% of profits to end human trafficking. So you're not just buying oils, you're making a difference. Give Simply Earth Essential Oils a try, and you'll see why they've become a staple in my daily routine. Trust me, your home and your family will thank you.